Hey, all right. So listen, ladies. We are the breadwinners these days, aren't we? Good careers, 401k, vacation properties, and with that comes, I want someone to share my life with. I want a partner. And I don't know how many times I jump on here and I talk about the importance of a prenuptial agreement, but I'm back again. And you know why I'm back again? Because I have another client who had to stroke a check for somebody that didn't deserve it. Do not fall victim to that. The longer you stay in a marriage that isn't going anywhere, is the chances go up that you will have to pay alimony, part of your retirement, equity in the home. And so people always like to talk about, oh, this is a premarital asset. I had this home before I married them. Okay. How long did you move them into that home? And did you continue to pay the mortgage? And what did they contribute? Did they help you pay the mortgage? These are questions that you have to be able to answer. And so when you move somebody into your home and y'all end up being married, let's say y'all end up being married 15 years. From the time you purchase that home until the time that divorce is finalized, how much equity was built into that home? That equity that was built in from the time y'all married to the time y'all get a divorce, the courts are going to say that that person has a right to an equitable distribution of the equity in the home. Yeah. So the longer you stay, the more you pay. And we love to say, what's good for the goose is good for the gander. Well, yeah, in this situation, same thing is going to happen. What you do and how you protect yourself is going to a family law attorney and paying the money for that prenuptial agreement. Yes, you love each other. Yes, you plan to be married forever. Life has unexpected turns. So why don't we be prepared for those terms so that you don't have to come back and pay me on the other end and then end up paying me more money because you didn't get a prenup. And now you got to go and pay someone who disrespected you, possibly abused you mentally, emotionally, physically, possibly stole from you, possibly cheated on you, possibly had children on you. Don't fall into that situation. I would much rather you come and you pay me for a prenuptial agreement than for me to have to represent you in a divorce and you end up having to pay this person a lot of money. Just my thoughts on this Monday. Let's not stay in relationships and marriages that don't serve us. And if we're going to enter into a situation where you guys are not evenly yoked, meaning financially, then go ahead and invest that money and get that prenuptial agreement. And I want you to come back and thank me later. One of the smartest things that I ever did in my life was get a prenuptial agreement. So I'm not giving you advice that I don't take. Okay? If you find yourself in a situation, give me a call. 678-601-5580.